In this guide, I'll show you how to fix PlayStation Store purchasing errors on PS4. So, the first thing you want to do is press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller, and then you want to turn off your console and restart it and see if that fixes your issue. Now, if not, the next thing we're going to do is head on over to settings, and then once you're here, you want to scroll down and select network, and you want to view the status of the PlayStation Network services because the store could be down. Now, if it's not, the next thing we're going to do is select account management, and then you want to scroll down and select restore licenses. This is especially true if you're trying to download a game you've purchased previously, so let this finish and then see if you can download stuff or buy it in the store. Now, once this is finished, we're going to go back, and another thing you could try is signing out of your account and signing back in. We're going to go to account information. So, what you want to do once this loads is we're going to scroll down and select wallet. And then from here, we're going to scroll down and go to add funds. Now, what you want to do is select your payment method. You can always add a credit or debit card if you'd like. I'm going to select mine now. And here you'll see the amount of funds we can add to our account by purchasing it with our card. So once you've added the funds to your wallet, head on over to the PlayStation Store where you can add a game to your cart, or you can open it up on your card if you've already added it. And then you'll see your wallet balance and you should be able to check out and purchase the game. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.